So gang, we see GPUSD, finally head all the way up. It was consolidating at 0.786 Fibonacci. It was in a little bit of a counter trend. This is a counter trend. Overall, price was in an uptrend. You can see right here, March 9th. This is March 9th. Price was in an uptrend. Went all the way up to 38.2. This is around 5:30, and then it was in a downtrend all the way up until 9 o'clock. Finally breaks this trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, you could have entered, and price goes back up to 38.2 and riding up to 0, and then 27 extension at 31 or 32. Could drag it up a little bit further, but it goes right to 0.786. GPUSD, is a pair that when it moves, but when it's consolidating and doing all this happened from 5:30. This move didn't happen until about 8:30, 9 o'clock. About like New York, London session. When we finally seen 8:45, we finally seen GPUSD break out of this consolidation. Like it was consolidating from 6:30 all the way up to 8:45. Like it likes to move around New York session, GPUSD. And then it went to 0. It's going to go to 0 and then 27 extension. Obviously, we see gold head all the way down for the day. Like crazy move with gold. Definitely could have made a couple hundred easily with gold. Where's the other chart at? Right here. Could have gotten at 2056, and it went all the way down to 1976, like crazy. Basically back down to take profit 15. Take profit 15. Is this take profit 15 right here? Boom. 1975, 1976 went all the way down to take profit 15 before now gold's pushing back up. But it's a crazy move. Could have got in around here at the top, and it went from 2056 all the way down to 1975. Like, wow, for the day. So if you miss this move, it's okay because gold's probably want to go back up to take profit 2020 before ending the day. You already know you could have got in. Once price, consolidates, breaks this trend line, could have got in and sold it back down. We went over that already. But it does get all the way down to take profit 15, 1975. GPUSD. Same thing with GPUSD. Took forever to break this trend line, but it finally breaks this trend line. And it likes to move around New York session. It really likes to move around New York session. 8:45, 9 o'clock. You can see 9 o'clock. Gold GPUSD heading back up. So I just wanted to keep you updated with this game. GPUSD for the day is heading all the way back up. Let me just remove the drawings actually. Last time GPUSD been down here around 131 was in, we go back, last time GPUSD been down here was December 20th, December 11th, 2020, November 9th, 2020. So beginning of COVID, we haven't seen GPUSD get down here. And that's crazy move. Now we see GPUSD, GPUSD finally heading back up. It hasn't been down there since November 2020. So GPUSD, we should see GPUSD heading back up to 132 and eventually 133, all the way up, back up to 135 at least. It was just here in February 135, 136, February the 24th, 2022. So it should get back up here pretty soon. All right, gang.